I'm Gus. Welcome to the Gus Adventures Vlogs. This is the new series of my YouTube channel. I encountered the unexplained in my childhood, and I'm always amazed by horror movies and reality paranormal shows on TV. And by exploring alone, the paranormal seems to be more active. I'm not addressing you through this vlog to be a believer. It is only intended for your entertainment and information. In this short episode, we shall see an abandoned railway. I've been exploring this location for a week and finally came out with this short episode. This is the old Jurong Line Railway Bridge. The old Jurong Line Railway started operations in 1966. It was once used to transport industrial goods from Bukit Timah to Jurong industrial areas here in Singapore. Due to its low usage, it ceased operations in the mid-90s. Now that it's left abandoned, I'm here to take this opportunity to explore before it's taken away from this site. It's a great thing that to actually preserve such locations like this. It's very important to have such historical places. Anyways, I'm just walking out of the tunnel right now. And was that a train sound? Was that a train sound? Presently, the former railway lines are called the Green Corridor. The Green Corridor's estimated 10.5 km track is open to public for trekking, running and cycling across Singapore. I hope you liked this short introduction video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.